Hey everyone, Alex Clark here from DC Python. This is the main monthly meetup for March. I'm Alex Clark, as I just said. I am hosting. I've been hosting the first few months of 2021. Next few months we'll have guest hosts. And today we have a technical talk from Russ Lavery, and we are not going to record that, but we are going to record some introductions like we usually do, and that will go up to YouTube right after this around the rooms, as I like to do. And if you appreciate these events, please donate. We're nonprofit since the mid-2000s or so, making sure Python events happen in DC even during a pandemic. And I will do a small additional introduction, and then I'll pick someone else to introduce themselves, tell us briefly about yourself and your interests in Python, and then we'll cut the recording and we'll let Russ take it away. And Russ, we're not going to record, but Russ does have slides, so you will be able to review the content. And like I said, Russ came along and offered some highly technical talks, and we range from not even technical to very technical, so that makes me happy. Anyway, so I'm Alex. What do I do? I'm a president and executive director of DC Python. I'm the president of a software consulting company with my wife, and we do Django projects with front end stuff. And I'm also at NIH as a science IT person. And so with that, I will hand it to Russ for an intro.
Hi, my name is Russ Lavery, and I've been a SAS programmer for 30 years. I'm starting to learn Python and R. And this is kind of a personal journey. I create talks. I take notes in PowerPoint, and I create talks as a way of learning. So I hope this is of interest to you.
SAS as in front-end SAS, or is there another SAS?
It's not software as a service. It's SAS Institute out of Cary. A
Gotcha.
stat data scientist, SAS programmer guy.
Glad I asked. All right, pick somebody else when you're done.
Oh, Jacob, you're staying on the row.
I'm a computational disease modeler. These days I model COVID-19, before this diabetes. I organize the evening of Python coding, which is now also in DC, but I'm based in Austin, Texas, mostly. Dimitri, maybe?
Hey everyone, I'm Dimitri. I'm a data engineer working at Capital One. I've been co-hosting and co-organizing some of the DC Python events, namely the Python Beginners Lab from 2018 to last year.
And again, guest hosting later this year, right?
Yep, exactly.
All right, you get to pick the next victim.
Aileen.
Except for SS.
Hi, my name is Eileen Shackelford. I am a technical recruiter for a fintech, and we are recruiting Python, people who know Python. That's part of our job description. So I decided I needed to know a little bit more about that. And so I'm just attending some different groups to learn more about the technology that I'm recruiting.
Awesome, welcome.
Mm-hmm. And I guess that leaves Vineet, is that right?
Vineet, if you're on audio. If not, we will wrap this for a brief recording session and let Russ take it away with the technical. And let's see, let me just find out how to hit. All right, folks, we just wrapped Russ's presentation, which was exactly as I expected it to be, very highly technical, but lots of info that was interesting and I wouldn't otherwise come across. And I am looking for the DC Python YouTube as I type this because someone asked in the chat. So thanks, Russ, and you can hire Russ. His slides are on the Meetup, and if you appreciate such events, please do take a minute and donate. We rely on and appreciate and are encouraged by donations to continue hosting events. And I will be back probably once more this year at least. We have other folks hosting for the next 3 months. And thank you everyone. It's a great presentation, great questions afterwards. Great everything. Thank you all, and I'll see you next time.
Good day.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.